Claudie cooks, bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices, spices. Claudie cooks.
Hey guys, welcome back to Claudie Cooks. We're making a quick Labneh cucumber yogurt dip to go with these delicious spicy sweet wings that I'm making, and you will see why I'm making this sauce. All of the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box for you. So let's get making this delicious sauce to go with my tasty chicken wings. Let's go. Okay, in this bowl I've got half of a cucumber and I've grated and I've squeezed out the excess water from it, and in goes 1 cup of yogurt. This is the brand I'm using. Going in with 2 cloves of garlic. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of lemon juice. Tablespoon each of fresh mint and dill. Now for some salt and black pepper. Now we're giving that a bit of a mix. Let's have a little taste. Lovely. Just gonna add a touch more of black pepper. Delicious. Tastes very fresh and summery, creamy and garlicky. Let's give it another taste. Right, we're going to cover this with some cling film and we're going to leave it in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes, longer if you have the time, so that it develops the real flavors of the cucumber, the garlic, creamy yogurt, and you are just going to love it. Tastes great. See you back in 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, let's dress the labneh. Just gonna drizzle generous amount of olive oil over that. I'm going to sprinkle some Za'atar, and I love sumac, so I am going to sprinkle some of that over it as well. It looks like this. It's a kind of a lemony, peppery taste. It's delicious. I love it. And you can use this dip for anything, you know, chicken, lamb, pitta bread, and all these little veg that I have, you know, as a little starter or something like that. This is what we have here. And there you have it, guys, my Labneh cucumber yogurt and mint dip. Enjoy.
Claudie cooks, bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices, spices. Claudie cooks, bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food